Imagine stepping into a life where abundance flows effortlessly to you, where every aspect of your existence brims with prosperity, joy, and fulfillment. This isn't just a distant dream, but a tangible reality that awaits those who understand and apply the principles of living as a chosen one. Today we will look into what it means to be chosen for a life of abundance and how to shift your mindset to unlock this plentiful state of being. This journey is about recognizing your inherent potential and aligning your life with the universal flow of abundance. Being termed a chosen one isn't about exclusivity or being selected by a mysterious force without your input. Rather, it's about recognizing and accepting that you have a significant role to play in this universe. This role revolves around understanding and implementing specific principles that lead to a life filled with abundance. It involves a deeper connection with the self and a conscious alignment with your life's true purpose. The first step on this path is to acknowledge that you have been chosen by your own higher self to lead a life that is richer and more fulfilling than the average experience. This doesn't mean that chosen ones are free from challenges. Instead, they possess a unique capacity to transform obstacles into stepping stones towards greater success. This transformative ability is not due to any external power, but from a deep-seated understanding of the laws that govern abundance. When we talk about abundance, it extends far beyond the mere accumulation of material wealth. True abundance encompasses a richness of experience, including deep relationships, robust health, profound happiness, and spiritual fulfillment. It is about having an abundance of love, creativity, and peace that flows into every interaction and thought. To step into this expansive concept of abundance, you must first shift your mindset from one of scarcity to one of limitless possibilities. The scarcity mindset focuses on limitations, lack, and competition, and is deeply ingrained in many of us from an early age. Transforming this mindset begins with the conscious decision to see the world as a place of plenty, where there is enough success, love, and happiness for everyone. Transforming your mindset requires more than just positive thinking. It involves a fundamental change in how you view yourself and the world. Start by observing your thoughts and language. Are they filled with notions of lack, fear, and limitation? If so, it's time to adjust this narrative. Begin to speak and think in terms of abundance. For instance, instead of saying, "I can't afford this," you might say, "How can I afford this?" This slight shift in phrasing opens up possibilities and moves your mind from a state of closure to one of openness. Cultivating a mindset of abundance also means practicing gratitude. Gratitude tunes your mind to focus on what you have rather than what you lack, creating a positive feedback loop that attracts more abundance. Each morning or evening, take a moment to list things you are grateful for. This practice not only improves your mood and outlook, but also reinforces your belief in the abundance that surrounds you. By consistently applying these principles, you will notice a shift not only in your perception, but also in your reality. While you begin to view the world through a lens of abundance, you will attract more opportunities, relationships, and resources that resonate with this new outlook. Identifying whether you are a chosen one begins with introspection and observation of your daily life. Do you often find yourself at the center of coincidental occurrences that others might call luck or fate? These are typically synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that seemingly have no causal relationship, yet are profoundly related and incredibly timely. Observing these patterns can signal that your life is aligned with a greater purpose and that you are on the right path toward fulfilling it. Another sign is a persistent, strong sense of purpose or calling that guides your decisions and actions. If you find yourself driven by a mission that feels larger than yourself, one that aims to contribute to others' well-being or the betterment of the world, this is a strong indicator of being a chosen one. This internal drive is not about grandeur or recognition, but about making a meaningful impact. A deep feeling of connection to the universe, or a sense that your actions are guided by a higher power, can also suggest that you are a chosen one. This might manifest as intuition or gut feelings that direct you to make choices that align perfectly with your goals and desires, often leading to outcomes that are in your favor. After recognizing the signs, cultivating spiritual practices is essential to fully engage with your role as a chosen one. These practices help maintain your alignment with the universe and enhance your ability to attract and sustain abundance. Meditation is a foundational practice that supports this alignment. It allows you to clear your mind of clutter and connect with your higher self, providing clarity and peace. Starting with just a few minutes each day can have profound effects on your mental state and help you manifest abundance more effectively. Over time, as your practice deepens, you may notice increased synchronicity and a stronger intuitive sense. Journaling is another powerful tool. It serves as a physical manifestation of your thoughts and intentions, helping to bring them into reality. Regularly writing down your goals, dreams, and daily experiences with gratitude can help you maintain a mindset of abundance and keep track of your progress along your spiritual journey. Spending time in nature also plays a crucial role in nurturing your spiritual well-being. Nature is inherently abundant and operates in cycles of growth and renewal, mirroring what we strive for in our own lives. Time spent in natural settings can replenish your energy, inspire creativity, and remind you of the abundance that naturally exists around you. By integrating these spiritual practices into your life, you create a strong foundation for living abundantly. They help you stay grounded, connected, and in tune with the universe, reinforcing your path as a chosen one. Each practice is a step toward maintaining your alignment with abundance, ensuring that your life is filled with prosperity in all its forms. Discovering and aligning with your true purpose is perhaps the most transformative step in your journey toward abundance. Your purpose is the unique path that feels inherently right to you and aligns with your deepest values and passions. It is not just about choosing a career or a hobby. It's about recognizing the activities and pursuits that bring you deep joy and satisfaction, and that contribute positively to the world. To align with your purpose, start by listening to your inner voice. Pay attention to the activities that make you lose track of time, the ones that bring you a sense of excitement and fulfillment. Reflect on moments when you feel truly alive and engaged. These are clues pointing towards your purpose. Consider these feelings and activities as signposts, guiding you towards the path you are meant to pursue. Once you have a sense of your purpose, the next step is to integrate it into your daily life. Begin by setting small, achievable goals that align with your larger purpose. Each goal accomplished brings you a step closer to a life filled with true abundance. This alignment is not just about, achieving career success. It's about creating a holistic sense of fulfillment that encompasses all areas of your life. While recognizing your purpose is crucial, actualizing it requires discipline and commitment. These are the pillars that support every effort to manifest the abundant life you envision. Discipline means setting a structure to your days, making time for the activities that align with your purpose, and consistently following through on your intentions. Commitment is your emotional and mental investment in your journey. It involves staying dedicated to your path even when obstacles arise or progress seems slow. This commitment keeps you anchored to your purpose, ensuring that temporary setbacks do not derail your journey towards abundance. To foster discipline and commitment, develop routines that support your goals. Whether it's waking up early to meditate, setting aside time for writing, or planning your day with clear objectives, these routines help create a framework that nurtures your purpose. They turn what may initially feel like effort into habit, eventually integrating your purpose into your everyday life seamlessly. Discipline and commitment are not about rigidly adhering to a set of rules. They are about creating a supportive environment for yourself, where your actions and decisions are intentionally aligned with your ultimate goals of abundance. By committing to this disciplined approach, you ensure that your daily actions are not just random events, but stepping stones towards the fulfilling life you are meant to live as a chosen one. While you continue to advance on your path, you will undoubtedly face challenges. These moments, while often difficult, are not merely hurdles to be overcome, but are in fact opportunities that can propel you towards greater levels of abundance. Each challenge is a chance to learn, adapt, and grow stronger in your convictions and capabilities. When confronted with a challenge, approach it with a mindset that seeks to uncover the learning or growth opportunity within. Ask yourself what this situation is teaching you and how it can be used to refine your approach. This perspective shifts your mindset from one of victimhood to one of empowerment, where every difficulty enhances your journey. Overcoming these challenges builds resilience. Each time you navigate through a tough situation, you gain confidence in your ability to handle future obstacles. This resilience is essential as it ensures that your path towards abundance is sustainable, allowing you to maintain momentum even when the road gets tough. This approach not only enriches your own life, but also serves to inspire and uplift those around you, further expanding the cycle of abundance. To manifest your desires, it's essential to establish clear, well-defined goals. Start by articulating exactly what you wish to achieve or acquire. This clarity will focus your energy and intentions, making it easier to move towards these goals. Visualization plays a key role here. Imagine your life as if you have already achieved these desires. This mental imagery stimulates the subconscious mind, aligning your mental and emotional energies with your objectives. Once your goals are set and you can clearly visualize them, the next step is to take consistent action. Actions need to be deliberate and should directly contribute to your goals. It involves creating a plan and breaking down your main objectives into smaller, manageable tasks that you can tackle on a daily basis. Regularly review your progress and adjust your actions as necessary to stay on track. Affirmations can also powerfully support your efforts. These are positive present tense statements that reinforce your goals and help maintain a mindset of success and possibility. Repeat these affirmations daily to keep your spirits up and your focus clear, especially during times when doubts or challenges arise. While you begin to see the results of your efforts, it's important to accept and sustain the abundance you have created. This means appreciating and acknowledging the success and wealth you have manifested. Gratitude is key in this stage. Consistently expressing thanks for what you have achieved helps to reinforce your abundance mindset and attracts even more positivity into your life. Sustaining abundance also requires continuous personal growth and adaptation. The world is dynamic, and new challenges and opportunities will always arise. Continuing to educate yourself, staying flexible in your approaches, and being willing to adapt your goals as you grow are essential strategies to ensure that the abundance you've built remains vibrant and continues to expand. It's also beneficial to share your success and abundance with others. This could mean mentoring, sharing knowledge, or supporting others in their journeys towards abundance. By giving back, you not only help others to thrive, but also reinforce the flow of abundance in your own life, creating a cycle of prosperity that benefits all involved. Thank you so much for your kindness and support. I truly appreciate the time and effort you've invested in helping me. Your generosity and thoughtfulness are both inspiring and deeply appreciated.